Your city of San Bruno is gearing up for a season of repairing sidewalks. We are repairing sidewalk offsets around the city, which pose a risk to passersby. It is an ongoing project to make the city responsible fixes in the sidewalks around town. Are you interested in fixing the sidewalk in front of your property? Do you want your neighborhood to be safe for people who walk? Here is an opportunity to repair or replace the sidewalk in front of your property and do it for less. For the safety of pedestrians, it is important for sidewalks to be properly maintained. There are many things that can cause damage to a sidewalk. A few examples are tree root growth, soil erosion, and vehicle damage. The question of who is responsible to fix a sidewalk within San Bruno is answered, in part, by the state of California. The law states it is the duty of abutting property owners to maintain sidewalks in a safe condition. In addition, state law provides that repairs not made by the owner upon notice shall be made by the city and set forth a method to collect the cost of repairs from the property owner. San Bruno City Code puts it this way: the owners of lots or portions of lots fronting on any portion of an improved street shall maintain any sidewalk in such a manner that the sidewalk will not interfere with the public convenience. In other words, if you own a piece of property in San Bruno, the sidewalk is your responsibility. Some sidewalk damage is caused by trees. Tree roots bump up against the bottom of the sidewalk and push it up, causing an offset. When sidewalk damage has been caused by a city tree, the city is responsible to fix the sidewalk. In 2009, sidewalk repair priorities were established. On the top of the list of priorities was to repair city-responsible damaged sidewalks with an offset of 1.5 inches or greater. So far, over 900 such fixes have been made. Yet there is still a lot of sidewalk that remains to be fixed. In addition to the repairs, the city needs to construct accessible curb ramps. On July 12, 2011, a construction contract was awarded for sidewalk repair work to continue through spring 2012. This concrete construction contractor will be doing city-responsible work, but will also be available on a first-come, first-served basis to make owner-responsible repairs as well. Here are some guidelines that must be followed to have your sidewalk repaired. All sidewalk repair work must be done by a licensed contractor. Contractors must be licensed by the state of California, need to hold a San Bruno business license, and have adequate insurance. In addition, owners need to obtain and pay for a city encroachment permit. While you can hire your own contractor to fix your sidewalk, if you have the work done by the city authorized contractor, the city will waive the encroachment permit fee. The intent of waiving the fee is to encourage you to repair damaged sidewalk locations that are not the city's responsibility. If you would like the city's contractor to do the work on your sidewalk, call the Public Services Department at 616-7065 to schedule an appointment with the city inspector. He will meet with you to confirm the proposed repair work and provide you with an estimate. Payment will be required prior to the start of the repair work. For more information about the San Bruno Sidewalk Repair Project, you can go to our website at www.sanbruno.ca.gov. You can also call us at 616-7065 or come into the Public Works Department located at San Bruno City Hall, 567 El Camino Real, San Bruno. Let's all work together to keep San Bruno a safe and beautiful place to live and work.